Well, it's the holiday season. We're out here at the Oregon Garden Resort, and also it's Christmas time, and the resort is open. And
Yep.
people that are used to coming out and enjoying the lights and the festivities, you guys are still doing that this year, but things are a little bit different, right?
Yeah, so due to COVID-19 guidelines and restrictions, Christmas in the Garden is canceled, but we're still excited to have a fun holiday light experience for guests of the resort to enjoy. We'll still have some of the beloved light displays, a few vendor booths, and then some drinks and sweets as well.
Right. So it's not going to be your typical, in the garden like it's been in the years past, and it's it's a little bit more staggered opening, right? And it's for resort guests only.
Right, yeah, so there won't be any lights in the Discovery Pavilion. It'll all be around the resort's main lodge. Due to the restrictions on gatherings and how many people were allowed into the light display, there will be 3 different time slots, and it will be, like you said, only for resort guests. So if you're staying on the Christmas rate or if you're a guest of the resort.
Gotcha. And so, but there's still a lot of things that you'll be able to do. So you still have a lot of, some of the vendors are going to be out here, so they can still do some of their holiday shopping.
Yeah.
And there's still a big light display too, right?
Exactly. So our team's getting really creative on kind of different ways that guests can enjoy the holiday season. We'll still have a few vendor booths, so it'll be great to kind of support those local businesses during this tough time and maybe do some of your Christmas shopping.
Right.
And then also go through and see some of the light displays. There'll still be the candy cane tunnel, which is also a guest favorite. The rainbow, we'll have candy cane land, some other great photo ops as well.
Right. And so, and resort guests get a little added bonus for being out here too. So not only do they get to see the light show, but this still comes with breakfast in the morning, is that right?
Yeah, so it'll come with overnight accommodations. You'll get a parking space, you'll get entrance into the light display, breakfast the next morning, and then also admission into the Oregon Garden.
Gotcha. So they can still go enjoy a lot of these things. It's just a little bit different.
Exactly, yeah, it'll be a little different, but I think guests will enjoy having that holiday experience.
Right, and they can still get online and get onto the resort's webpage and still book rooms, because you still have some rooms available.
Yeah,
Right?
so you'll just go onto the website and then go under the little specials tab, and then you'll want to make sure that you book under the light rate.
Well, good. We're excited to come out and excited to see the lights, and we'll check your website and make sure we can check dates and times and what's coming up. So for more information on display and what's going on out here at the Oregon Garden Resort, make sure you go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you open. Also, we can't wait for the lights to turn on.
Yeah, we can't wait to welcome guests over here too.
Thank you.
Thanks.